And lastly, minimalism, otherwise known as minimal art, emerged in a coherent form in New York. It is the final stage of the reaction to abstract expressionism and the refined style of abstract painting and sculpture that became a major movement of post-modernist art and succeeded post-painterly abstraction. Minimalism is basically characterized by extreme simplicity of form, reduced to the essentials of geometric abstraction and lack of expressive content. It can be described as an austere and impersonal form of so-called artistic purity or truth. What is most evident is the regularity of the whole work. All that remains is the intellectual idea of the work, devoid of any emotion. An example of this would be Tony Smith's Die. It is a freestanding cube sculpture that has an unreadable surface and a frank lack of visual appeal that shows his expression of his rejection of abstract expressionism. Another would be Carl Andre's Lever. It is a sculpture that doesn't seem to be a sculpture. It is a row of 137 fire bricks aligned to protect out from the wall and straight across the floor. Its simplicity in form and manner of creation was the defining point of it being of minimalistic, attempting to sever matter from depiction. Last good example would be Richard Serra's House of Cards. It is basically a cube that has been deconstructed, all four sides are propped against one another and are only held together by their own weight and resistance. What makes it minimalistic is that there were no manipulation of the form by the hand of the artist.
Created using Powtoon.